plain Janes, and welcome back to my channel. So I am doing a really quick not so quick soak off. Just want to show you guys how I soak off my press-on nails. I am using the Castile soap and Dr. Teal's oil, lavender oil, and I have a bowl. I'm just checking the temperature of the water, so it's warm because you want to use warm water. I like it warmer, a little bit warmer than warm, if you catch my drift. But yeah, you usually want to use warm water and some soap and some oil to take off press-on nails. And again, these are press-ons, they're not acrylic, so I won't be using any acetone or anything like that. It's just oil and soap. And as you can see, I'm putting my bowl down there, and I'm going to add my Castile soap and my oil. Now I just did 1 squirt of the soap. The oil, I did about 2 squirts. If you know, you know. You know when people say they eyeball ingredients, like I literally just eyeball this stuff. So if you know, squirt is a measurement, okay? 1 squirt, 2 squirt, you catch my drift. Anyway, so I am just adding that there, and then I am going to put my hands, my fingers into this nice soothing soak of water here. And for time purposes, I did speed this up because I was just literally playing in the water, waiting for a couple of minutes, and it does take a while for these to soak off. I'm not going to keep you, that's just what it is. In order for you to keep your nails intact, you just want to make sure that it is soaking. And while it is soaking, you're going to begin to experience some lifting underneath the nails, because that's what the oil does. And you're going to want to take a flathead tool. I just took my cuticle tool and went underneath anything that was lifting or is about to lift, just so that the oil can continue to permeate between the nail and my natural nail to basically lift off and pop off from that nail. So yeah, I'm going to do this for each nail. Now, if you are feeling any pressure or residual pressure when you are doing this, that means that your fingers just need to soak a little bit more before it can ease on off in that nail, like how my pinky just popped off there. Just pow, ta-da, watch out now, like it just popped off. So the rest of my fingers, as you can see, I'm putting it back in there because it needs more time. And I'm just going to be checking throughout. So I will be dunking, check in, and again, this soak off took me about maybe 45 minutes to an hour. Yeah, 45 minutes to an hour. I did have a little bit of lifting already, so I just went ahead and soaked it off. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. So as you can see, they're just popping right off after that long soak off. And if you guys want me to do more of these soak off videos, let me know in the comments below. But that'll be the last finger, and all my nails are intact. Everything's nice and oily and soapy. But thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.